My name is David Ashton. I'm the portfolio holder in Harrow for finance and highways, and I've held that role since 2022. Maintaining the roads in Harrow, in fact in general, is one of the most important things our residents tell us they really want. They're unhappy, quite rightly, if the road surface is poor, and obviously it's dangerous. So we're very keen and very intent on maintaining a decent, good quality road surface. And when we found the Pothole Pro, we were very pleased.
I'm Paul Osborne, I'm leader of the council in the London Borough of Harrow. It's enabled us to do many more repairs. We've gone from doing about 1,700 pothole repairs every year to doing 7,000 last year.
We look at total cost, total life. We don't want the roads to look good for 6 months or a year and then deteriorate. What matters to us is that it's maintained properly and looks good and is good and provides a good service for many years.
We've really made a strong investment and commitment to fixing the roads in Harrow. They've been neglected for far too long and we've been determined to fix it. And we often get really good feedback, especially when people come from neighbouring boroughs into Harrow. They're starting to notice the difference in the road surface.
Residents are delighted that we can respond pretty quickly to specific areas of road problem and are pleased that we're not disrupting the whole road. We found that the Pothole Pro is very effective. It's cost effective and it's quality effective. And it's been a very good thing to use.
We are really pleased. It's a good quality, long-term repair. It's much cheaper and much more effective. I'd strongly recommend it to anyone.